Hello friends, I hope that you are doing great and also learning English in great way. So now I am standing on our rooftop and I came here in the afternoon time to practice my English. And also I have a work. It is I need to water the trees. Our rooftop is a small garden. There are so many vegetable trees. Those are planted by my parents. So whenever I come to my village, I try to take care of them because enter the year my parents take care of them, but now I am free and I'm trying to spend with them to take care. Okay, so that's why I think I can make video and I can show you how I take care of them. Also, practicing is very important. Without practice you can't be able to make fluency in your mouth. So I try whatever comes in my mouth, I try to say. Without saying, without speaking to anyone, you can't get the fluency. Okay, so you can see now I am watering the trees. I already filled the bucket by waters to distribute the water in the roots of the trees. So I try to stay with garden. I love trees very much because trees very important for our environment. It make our environment greenery and make us make us feel relaxed and happy. Okay, you can see around me there are so many trees and which are very important and they covered our house. I love this type of environment, this type of family which is located under the trees. There are so many trees around that house. I love this type of house. Okay, so I can show you the trees on our rooftop. You can see. Okay, and also you can see I'm watering the trees. Okay, so I recommend to you that you can explain the situation, you can explain the event, you can explain an event, because then you will be able to speak English fluently. Whatever you see, for example, you can explain the cricket match to improve, but I'm not motivation giving you motivation, giving you support. Just I do it sometimes. That's why I try to say you you can do it, because I get from this some opportunity, some benefit. That's why I try to say you something about an event you can describe. Okay, so that's all for me today. I will come again in front of you with another interesting video.